The lungs are two vital organs in the human body responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide through the process of respiration. Here's a detailed description. Location and structure. The lungs are located in the chest cavity, one on each side of the heart. They are cone-shaped, with the base facing downwards and the apex facing upwards. The right lung is slightly larger than the left lung, layers and lobes. The lungs are surrounded by a double membrane called the pleura. Each lung is divided into lobes. Right lung, 3 lobes, upper, middle, and lower. Left lung, 2 lobes, upper and lower. Air passages. The trachea, windpipe, divides into 2 bronchi, one for each lung. Each bronchus branches into smaller bronchioles, leading to tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli. Alveoli are responsible for gas exchange. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the bloodstream. Carbon dioxide from the bloodstream diffuses into the alveoli and is exhaled. Blood supply. The lungs receive deoxygenated blood from the heart via the pulmonary arteries. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins. Functions. Exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide through respiration. Filter out small particles and debris from the air we breathe. Regulate pH levels by removing excess hydrogen ions. Support the immune system by housing immune cells. Interesting facts. The lungs are the only organs that can float on water. They contain over 300 million tiny air sacs, alveoli. The surface area of the lungs is roughly the size of a tennis court.